Welcome back, MX24 TV, hashtags MX Live. Keep the messages coming through. Shout out to Silverbird, the family. They have so much coming up, and I was just watching some of the movie trailers there. It's crazy stuff. And to everyone who's going to go see that, Bob Marley movie, yeah, go and see it. To everyone who's thinking about it, don't think about it, go and see it, because, that's a legend. That's someone who means so much to me and so many, many more people. Right now, I have an artist who's been making waves, right? He has a song that's out there, featured one of the biggest artists in the country at the moment. Everyone is talking about him, and it's a blessing to get to talk to artists like this, to get into their minds, how songs like these came about, and their plans after songs like these, When the conversation begins, you know what I'm talking about. But please, once again, MX24 TV, the hashtag is MX Live. If you want to add anything, any suggestions, any questions, if you want to big up the artist too, we absolutely do not mind. Sevenkizs, what going?
I do, bro.
What's up, man?
Everything.
You looking fresh, you.
You too.
I mean, this is the first time meeting you in person in recent times.
Oh, yeah.
You have a song out there. How does it feel to be in this moment, man? When you have one of the biggest songs in the country, how do you feel, man?
Okay, for the first time, I'm also happy to sit in front of you, Jason El. I've been following you for a while.
Nice one.
The journey has been so tough, but God did. We get one song and we break through like that.
Yeah. Okay, Moku, go back, right? Sure. Because right now the song's out there. People would like to get to know, like, who be this guy? It's all of a sudden. Some people might say, oh, he just come. But you see, I'm sure there's so much work that has gone into, leading to this stage where now your face is everywhere, your music is everywhere. So I beg, take me back some more. How did this start for you, man?
Okay, so shouts to Aluma Ajwa. Aluma Ajwa was doing a program on his TikTok page called Africa Got Talent.
Okay.
So he gives you the beat and you deliver your verse.
Oh.
So that's where it started.
How many years ago was this?
9 to 10 months.
Oh, just 9 months ago.
Yeah.
Okay, but you were making music before then.
Before then, but professionally.
Okay.
Yeah. So after then, we dropped that song. We recorded with Tubani. Shouts to Tubani Music.
Okay.
That song was called Mia.
Mia.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was making some waves on the social media pages, and after that we were doing some promotion with a Bluetooth speaker. I meet you on the street and I sing the song.
For real?
It. Yeah.
You were literally holding a speaker and walking around?
Yeah, walking around.
Crazy.
For the people to feel the song.
Wow.
So whilst we were doing that promotion, if you go to the comment section, they will be like, oh, Charlie, this song is nice, it's good, bring us another one.
Okay.
So that's where we bring the picture and boom.
Yeah, bro, let's talk a bit more about that, because, like you're saying, we live in a social media, right? Everything is branding and living flashy, and what car am I driving? What am I wearing? But to come up with an idea like this, to go to the streets, to go to the people, right? Where when you're following your dreams, sometimes you push shyness aside and do what you have to do, right? Did you get any negative feedback from doing something like that?
Yeah, I think one day some of the university teachers were able, like, they even called the police to come. Yeah, because he said he don't want to be in the camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so he called the police on you?
Oh, yeah. So we solved it and, we moved on.
But you didn't stop?
I didn't stop.
Hard guy.
Yeah. I mean it.
Yeah, bro. This is somebody who really, you're passionate about your dream.
Sure.
Along the journey, before this 9 months ago, 10 months ago, the competition and Mia, before picture and all these things, was there any point along the journey? Because at the beginning of the conversation, you said it's been tough, it's not been easy.
Yeah.
Did you ever want to give up? Did you ever Charlie, this thing, yeah.
Okay, if it were like only me doing the thing, I go feel give up.
Okay.
I get some strong team even an underground artist now they were supporting me, so I didn't even think about giving up.
Yeah, so you've got a fan base. Okay, so all this happened and then you dropped Mia. I mean, Mia was out and was doing really, really well.
Yeah.
How did picture come about?
Okay, so we are always working. I'm always working with my team and with my producer, Tubani Music. And one day,
shout out to Tubani, man.
Yeah, one day.
That guy's incredible.
Yeah, he's right here.
Yeah.
And one day we were in the studio and, the beat just popped up. this beat is 2017 beat that
Sheesh.
yeah Tubani played, and he put it aside. So I was walking on the street, and I say me people be na metina na me pay so iti me te wona na me hu say obi ne ne girlfriend te ho a omochi and hwe me odi ne ti ato no so. So that's where
we guy na girl.
Girl no
Girl
ne
is
ti ato.
okay, if the guy there I could talk say brother.
Nah.
I don't say Charlie.
So that's where it started, and me me ti ato so na me dey aka no coffee na me to aso.
Okay.
So that's where.
Okay, so that inspired boy inspired the song. So you go home where you do
Yeah.
At that moment you and Tubani, I really love to ask this question because sometimes artists you go drop song, you just go drop them now fat.
Yeah.
Sometimes too, as you record the song, like this song, it could go places. When you and Tubani like we're done doing the song, did he tell you or did you feel like this song was really going to go far for you?
Actually, Tubani is one of the producers that say the nyom no cry about now, but me obema to the whole song. Na nya bet you say bra ko fi no ko bo ho bra. Oh yeah.
Okay.
On the obeka no cry na cho.
We kind of nice and I go shout you. You tell me the truth because I don't can see.
Oh nice way.
You be shout Charlie.
Oh nice way. As a serious cannot be shout to nice. When you bounce no catch you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that kind of vibe. So yeah kasa no me ye freestyle no chair no we like Ophelia there no.
Sheesh.
It's a point na e ma miss me say na my baby.
Yeah.
It's a record year, and we were banging. We banged with the song like the whole night.
And obviously he was happy.
Yeah,
so.
he was happy.
And,
nice. I feel the say, hey, and never saw me DBA by my fa. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
man.
How I feel, so.
Okay, so I think we have the original song for people who are wondering, and there's a remix which we're going to talk about. So check this out. We'll be right back.
Sure.
The song makes so much sense because Valentine's about.
Yeah, it's Valentine about it. Now do theater to so now come.
So how did your girl feel about this song when she heard it? Wife or listening?
Wife.
Hey, voice. The voice in the back. Oh, I should say. Okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boys in the background. I beg, how many of you get girls for it? I know you people can't see them. How many of you? None of you. None of you. So the girls, who take them? Because as you can see, per statistics, 8 boys. You see, I hear 10. Me and girl they like him, but Charlie Michelle pocket Charlie my story. See 10 boys, nobody get girl now. But they try. See girls no na form because every girl to say she get boy.
I think say say I'm say any no na wo na like e bia bibi ba any e bia te ne baby. Yeah, right now yes search for before so search for before.
But these boys, the way they shudder, I don't believe. One say these boys. Anyways, so actually there's a remix.
Yeah, the remix.
With Mr. Drew.
Yeah,
How did that come about?
I think I knew nothing about it, and my team planned to.
Oh, that's nice.
To work on it to surprise me.
Okay.
Yeah, so I wake up in the morning and my song was playing in the speaker. I am at our house, and all of a sudden I heard some sweet voice. Say, hey, Charlie.
So you literally knew nothing about it? That there was being like a link up?
Nah.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Wow.
I just heard it early in the morning and I was so happy. And they said a surprise and they were all like happy. And, we were
Wait, how long after the original like this one came about? The remix?
I think for like 2 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like 2 months ago?
Yeah, 2 months ago.
Okay. Wow. But if you wanted to do a remix, would you have chosen anybody else, or is there somebody you'd still like to have on the song, with how well it is doing?
Yeah, for me, they are plenty.
Okay.
But if they are ready to, like,
Yeah, you're open to working with more people. But bro, Mr. Drew, for what he did on the song.
It's a huge thing.
Would that be... Oh man, that's incredible.
I give you that first. I say, baby, no, they like my dough, she like my love. Jimakuma fafa, take it oh, and I want you to know I give you my mito. Oh, I am the guy. When you call me, I'll be running to you. My number one, wanna empty my account for you. You mine. Wanna want you know that you mine. Pretty little smile with the cute eyes. That be my fine eyes. Oh yeah. Shamini will pay or double maker. So muye, mobi and fa. And Nana G met him.
Charlie, I'm sure the response has been very, very good.
It's so huge, and you know, I'm on a different level now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on a different level now. Yeah. Big shouts to Mr. G.
Yeah, shouts to him, of course, you know, killed it. So that's what I was about to ask you. I mean, like his levels, right? Like you're growing.
Yeah.
So what's the plan for this year?
For this year, I think maybe next 2 months we are bringing a new banger.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're not resting, man. You know, somebody they go work small, make this song.
But we are still promoting this song.
Okay.
Right now, I'm on a campus tour with my same JBL speaker.
For real?
Yeah. I'm not stopping. Yeah.
Bro, that makes so much sense, man. Chai, do you want to give any shout outs before you
A big shout out to all my fans, a big shout out to my mom, a big shout out to my team, and a big shout out to everyone supporting Sevenkizs. Charlie, keep on supporting Sevenkizs. What I say. I'm bringing you guys good vibes and good music.
I like that. I nearly forgot to ask you, Sevenkizs. Mm-hmm. I'm sure people have asked you before, but please tell us.
Plenty. Back in the days, and we were in the school, and you know, I said, boys, Mudi are going on off my work back. It's in a me case, key ISS, you know, and I said, make slide there, Kakana, me and key IZZ.
Okay.
I was dear, me kind of back up, and it was a day. And I'm now so
hey, that guy in there. There's always that guy in that group.
Hey, that group.
That guy. You know, go talk some about the laughing, no.
Hey. With them laugh me.
Yeah. That guy. Everybody has that guy in their group.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So with them laugh me, we are at the 7-up way.
Okay.
He became
nice. You say he take do hits.
Oh yeah.
Charlie, God bless you,
bless
man.
you
It's been a blessing talking to you. Shout out to Tubani and the whole team.
Yeah, sure.
And to all the single guys in the house.
Sure.
I see all of you. I'm sure. You see, they raise them a hand and they raise them a hand. By the end of the year, when I'm talking to him again, we'll see come with the same guys.
Oh, I'll come with them.
Come back here with them.
Especially Alumajo.
Okay, come back with them. Nice one. Please find him, support him, buy the music. Shout out to Tubani to keep releasing those bangers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sure. It's always a blessing to talk to artists who are creative, who believe in their craft. Despite, you know, the ups and the downs, they keep on pushing through. And MX24, MX Live, we're always here to support you. Brother, have a very good afternoon, guys. I have to let you leave, but again...